Thanks for checking out this week's video. We have a lot going on this weekend. It's been a few weeks since I got the carpet and the dashboard out and cleaned. It's taken up a lot of space in the garage and I just really want to get it back installed. First, I'm going to get the car all cleaned out. I'm going to show you guys some areas of rust that I came across that I'm a little concerned about. After that, I'm going to lay some soundproofing or sound deadening material down in the rear, the hatch area. The hope is, if everything goes well this weekend, to get that done and then potentially get the carpet laid back in the hatch and then also the rear seat. If we do that, if I can get to that point, I think it's a successful weekend. Let's get to it. Here's a little bit of what will be upcoming projects. And a lot of this brown kind of looks like it might be rust. It's actually not. There's a lot of adhesive and gunk on there. There's a small spot right here that's a tiny little hole that I'm going to need to get patched. But the floorboards look really good. All this gunk and stuff, I'm going to need to get it cleaned up as best I can. For the most part, there's very little rust. The area that's bad is right here. Driver's side B-pillar area. Not sure what I'm going to do here. I think I need to learn how to weld or something like that, but we'll figure it out. Picked up this hatch cover. The original one, you can kind of see from this carpet, the one that was in there was kind of cut. I think it was to fit some speakers or something. And so I just picked up this new one. I'll eventually get some new carpet or something for it. And then I was at the store this morning and I just saw this blue fabric, and so I just bought a yard just to kind of see what it looked like in the car. Doesn't quite match the same blue, but it's kind of nice. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. And then these are the hatch lift things. They always snap, so what I'm doing until I can find some more is just using a little, I think it's like a 1/4-inch piece of tubing. It's about the same tension when I pull on it, so I think it'll work. Successful weekend. Got the hatch cleaned out, got the carpet reinstalled, got some sound deadening laid in there. What else did we do? Got the seats installed, and also got a little bonus and installed little side panels here as well. Next week, suspension, I hope. Until next time.